I wasn't really sure if I was gonna film a hotel room tour or not, but I think that this one is warranted. It is so peaceful up here. You don't even feel like you're in Vegas. I am not a bath person, but I feel like that I just want to sit here, take a bath, drink some prosecco, nice shower. I mean, they did a good job. A vanity area, really good job. A little mini TV up there. I'm surprised they don't have it like more modern with the TV and the mirror. I wonder where that leads to. That's kind of weird to have a door there. So huge bathroom. I love all the mirrors. I'm not looking the best because you guys know how it is getting off the airplane. And then look at that. Look at all of this space. Can we just say space for days? Now everybody warns you here. I love that there's a step down. What do you call this living room area that's separate? The thing about this hotel, the Venetian, is that every room is a suite. I really wanted to stay at Caesar's Palace for like the amenities, the pool. Like I just wanted to be in that pool. It is so hot, you guys. There's like a little dining room. Oh, I didn't even notice this desk over here. It's just, it's just a cool. Oh, isn't that adorable? And then my view. I don't know. Oh, you guys gonna see me and not the view. Anyways, I can see some of the other hotels and pools down there. Looks like I'm looking at one, two, three, four pools. It's just so. Oh, this is what I needed. Something to relax into. I feel like this is a honeymoon to myself. Like nobody has to know. Like even if I was like going on a honeymoon, I wouldn't come to Vegas, but nobody would have to know. Like every room is a suite in here. I think anybody would really enjoy this little setup. It does kind of remind me though of in the movies when the guys are coming to do a drug deal. They like come to they like come to the couch and there's two people on the chairs. There's a table with the briefcase full of money. It does. There's two TVs in here, that one and that one. I just love the space. It just and there's my boyfriend calling. Thank you guys so much for watching this brief little clip. I'm gonna film some more later.